Adultery is a legally recognized grounds for divorce. And Attorney Wilkerson, you said in previous videos that a legally recognized grounds for divorce is my best bet in court. In so many words. Generally speaking, yes, that is true. There are 12 at-fault grounds for divorce in Georgia, and adultery is one of them. However, even if you can approve adultery in court, it's not a guarantee they're going to get everything you ask for, or even most of what you ask for in your divorce case. Factors that can impact your award or what the court is willing to give you of the things that you ask for are numerous, but a few that we've heard is how long the parties have been separated. The key thing with infidelity is that it has to be the cause of the demise of the relationship or the marriage. So if you guys decided to go your separate ways, live your separate lives, either in separate homes or different rooms, and then one of you got into a new relationship, the law looks at that differently because it wasn't the cause of the separation or the cause of the breakdown in the marriage. Another one is whether you cheated during the relationship. Even if you engaged in an extramarital affair after finding out they engaged in one, or you cheated and your spouse said that they forgave you and you guys continue to engage in marital relations, it undermines the moral high ground that you would have had if you had engaged in those extramarital relationships. Another factor is the health of the parties. If you're not able to engage with one another as husband and wife physically due to health problems, while the expectation is that you honor the vows that you took before God and man, practically speaking, we have biology, we're all adults. So some practical matters have to be taken into consideration under a circumstance like that. And as always, divorce cases are fact sensitive. And multiple factors can come into play when it comes to how the court will determine the weight to give and how it will impact the distribution of the marital assets and debts when you're dealing with infidelity.